Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast Boys Secondary Schools, our project of Iqra Education System. Dear students of class 8, we are going through unit number 5, Humanism, and in that, what shaped Eddie's life. So far we have gone through 6 exercises of reading comprehension. Today in this video lecture, we will cover up exercise number 7, which is the last exercise of reading comprehension of unit number 5, and that is question answers. Open page number 97 in your books, everybody. Page number 97 in your books. And keep your copies open so that we can do these question answers in our copy too. On the bottom of page number 97, you will find exercise number 7. There are 5 questions. We will do them one by one along with a discussion on the answer to each question. Out of 5 questions, question number 1 is, what are some of the things that Eddie's mother taught him? As you can see there, I have written exercise number 7 here. So what you will do in your copies, you will first of all write down the date here, English date, Islamic date, and CW or HW, whatever you people are doing. You will draw 2 marginal lines, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. And then in the first line you will give the heading of exercise number 7 and give the heading of question answers. Then in the second line you people will write question number 1. What are some of the things that Eddie's mother taught him? And you can see, doing this I have given proper space between every 2 words. There is a proper space, you can see, and that's what you have to do. आप लोगों को भी हर वर्ड के बाद प्रॉपर स्पेस देना है ताकि आपकी राइटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन नीट और क्लीन हो। मैंने आपको बताया कि आप कब कॉपी में काम स्टार्ट करेंगे तो सबसे पहले इंग्लिश और इस्लामिक डेट्स मेंशन करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड पर मार्जिनल लाइंस ड्रॉ करेंगे, CW या HW लिखेंगे और फिर फर्स्ट लाइन में एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की हेडिंग देंगे। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7 मार्जिनल लाइन से लेफ्ट साइड पर और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की हेडिंग फर्स्ट लाइन में, और उसके बाद सेकंड लाइन में आप क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे ब्लैक से। याद रखिएगा, मैं बार-बार आप लोगों को याद दिलाता हूं कि जिस कलर से मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूं आप उसके ऑपोजिट कलर से क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे, यानी जो भी कलर मैं यूज कर रहा हूं बोर्ड पर आप उसके ऑपोजिट कलर यूज करेंगे। अगर मैंने ब्लू से ये हेडिंग्स डाली हैं एक्सरसाइज 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और ये क्वेश्चन ब्लू से लिखा है तो आप ये हेडिंग्स एक्सरसाइज 7 की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और ये क्वेश्चन ब्लैक से लिखेंगे, जबकि आंसर आप ब्लू से लिखेंगे। इज दैट क्लियर? सो व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट एडीज मदर टॉट हिम? वो क्या चीजें हैं, वो कौन कौन सी आदतें हैं, अच्छी आदतें जो एडी की वालिदा ने उन्हें सिखाई। Let's go through the answer. I'm writing the answer on the board. You people will write down the question, give the headings, and then you will copy the answer from the board. The answer to question number 1 is Eddie's mother guiding him in such a manner that he grew up to be a very kind and sensitive person. He learned about love and care from his mother. She also ensured that he did not waste his time. This is a comprehensive answer to question number 1. You may copy it down from the board. Meanwhile, I will write down question number 2 on the board, which is, what was Eddie's mission in life? What was Eddie's mission in life? You can see here I have drawn 2 lines after answer to question number 1. This and this. These 2 lines are to mention that you people have to skip one line after this answer. You will not draw these two lines, but I have drawn it here just in order to show you, mention you or remind you that you people have to skip one line here. आप लोगों को यहाँ पर एक लाइन स्किप करनी है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ दो लाइन्स ड्रॉ की हैं. आप ये दो लाइन्स ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे और उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 उतारेंगे. What was Adhi's mission in life? मैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन रिपीटेडली नहीं उतार रहा हूँ, बल्कि आप ये कॉपी से अपनी बुक से कॉपी कर सकते हैं और मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर इसका आंसर लिखूंगा. What was Adhi's mission in life? Answer to question number 2. What was Adhi's mission in life? The comprehensive answer is Adhi often recalled that it was his mother who planted the seed of social welfare and charitable work in him. So, after her death, he decided to dedicate his life to the service of humanity. अपनी वालिदा के इंतकाल के बाद उन्होंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी इंसानियत की खिदमत के लिए सर्फ कर दी, वक्फ कर दी, और यही उनकी जिंदगी का मिशन था. Now question number 3 on page number 97 is, why was Abdul Sattar Adhi given a state funeral? Abdul Sattar Adhi को state funeral क्यों दिया गया? I would like to ask you people, why he was given a state funeral? क्यों दिया गया अब्दुल सत्तार एदी को state funeral? क्या वजह थी? हालांकि हम ये पढ़ चुके हैं कि किसी भी कॉमन सिटीजन को, पाकिस्तान के किसी भी आम शहरी को स्टेट फ्यूनरल नहीं दिया जाता है. बट व्हाट वाज द रीजन? क्या वजह थी कि उन्हें, यानी कि अब्दुल सत्तार एदी को स्टेट फ्यूनरल दिया गया? If you want to find the answer to question, you may go through the last paragraph on page number 90. I am giving you half a minute to go through the last paragraph on page number 90. So my brothers, I hope you have found out the answer. Yes. Would anybody like to tell us? In the last 3 lines you can find the answer, in the last 3 or 4 lines. The last lines say that it was the simplicity of life and this humanitarian vision which had been inculcated in him by his parents, mainly his mother, that made him the Abdul Sattar Edi that he became, the first common citizen of Pakistan in nearly 70 years of its history to receive a state funeral. उनका काम इंसानियत की खिदमत और उनकी जो जिद्दोजहद उन्होंने पूरी ज़िंदगी जो अपनी वक्फ कर दी थी, उसी के नतीजे में, उसी के रिजल्ट में इनको स्टेट फ्यूनरल दिया गया. इसको हम कुछ थोड़े से वर्ड्स को चेंज करके लिखते हैं. I will write it down on the board. You may copy it from the board. I have made slight changes in the last paragraph of this chapter on page number 90 due to his mission to serve humanity regardless of religion, race and background, and the simplicity of life and humanitarian vision. He was the first common citizen of Pakistan to receive a state funeral. This is a comprehensive answer to question number 3. Why did Edi receive a state funeral, or why was Edi given a state funeral? Question number 4. In your opinion, what shaped Edi's life? आपके ख्याल में किस चीज ने एधी की लाइफ शेप अप की? There can be different views and point of views on this question. We will take the point of view what we have understood or learned through this whole chapter, and we will write it down here on the board. But before that, you people will copy down this answer in your copies, as I have told you, you will write down the question first. Question number 3. Why was Abdul Sattar Ali given a state funeral? And then you will write down this answer from due to his mission up to receive a state funeral. And after this, you will skip one line. I have drawn these 2 lines here to remind you that you have to skip one line after this answer. And you will start question number 4 from here. So I will write down answer to question number 4 here. And the question was, in your opinion, what shaped Eddie's life? आपके ख्याल में किस चीज ने एडी की जिंदगी को शेप अप किया? The answer to question number 4 may be little longer, but it fully answers the question, what shaped Eddie's life? Abdul Sattar Ali was born and brought in a loving and caring family. He was mainly brought up by his mother. I forgot to write up over here. Abdul Sattar Ali was born and brought up in a loving and caring family. He was mainly brought up by his mother, who, according to AD, had a great influence on his life. The simplicity and the humanitarian vision inculcated in him by his parents made him the Abdul Sattar AD that he became. This may be, as I have told you earlier, a little longer, but it fully answers the question we have on page number 97 that says, question number 4, in your opinion, what shaped AD's life? So we have written down our opinion here on the board. You people may copy it down from there and write it down in your copies. आप लोग बोर्ड से ये अपने कॉपीज में लिख लीजिए. पहले एक क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे और उससे भी पहले हम एक लाइन स्किप करेंगे. आंसर नंबर 3 के बाद लाइन स्किप करेंगे. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 उतारेंगे. In your opinion, what should they be like? And then after, you people will write down answer to question number 4. We have the last question. What are some of the things that you would like to do to help people? वो कुछ काम जो आप लोगों की मदद करने के लिए करना चाहेंगे. ऐसे कौन कौन से काम हैं जो आप दूसरों की मदद के तौर पर करना चाहेंगे? I am assigning you people this question as home assignment. आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर खुद लिखेंगे कि ऐसे कौन कौन से काम हैं जो आप कर सकते हैं दूसरों की मदद करने के लिए. I have written down this home assignment here. You people may note this homework in your diaries. Do question number 5, exercise number 7. Exercise number 7 का question number 5 आपको copies में खुद करना है. We will meet again in the next video lecture with the language practice topics of unit number 5. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll meet again inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.